Watch the video all the way to the end to find out how you can win a spot on the Confidence Workshop on the 4th of August.
Hey, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I upload daily videos called Thoughts on Confidence, and today is day number 183 and we are talking about tangible steps, even if they are tiny tangible steps. So if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscription button and the notifications button to make sure that you get your daily boost in confidence. So I'm sitting here in a British garden, my brother's garden, absolutely soaking up the beautiful summer weather that they are enjoying here in the UK. Let's take a look at what the Thought on Confidence is. Take a tangible step in the direction of your dreams, even if it's a tiny step. I have to be honest that I feel like a zombie right now because we have had zero sleep. It has been a really long journey from Cape Town to Doha in Qatar, and from Doha to Cardiff, and Cardiff to Bristol in the UK. So I feel like death warmed up right now. I'm sure I probably look it as well. I set myself a challenge while I was on the plane, and that challenge was to listen to and watch my educational videos and audio tracks for a project that I'm currently working on, which I'm really excited to be working on. I'm excited to work on it, build it, create it, and then launch it. And that was my intention. And when it comes to building something new, there is an education portion to it, and then there is a tangible taking action portion to it. And so in this period, while we've been sat on planes, I promised myself that I would at least do something in the education portion of it. And so that's exactly what I did. No matter how small that tangible action step is, take it while you have the enthusiasm, even if it's tiny, as long as it is tangible. It's all fine and dandy to think about what it is that you want to achieve and how you want to feel and what it is that you want to gain, but until you actually take some steps to making that a reality, it all just remains wonderful visualizations in your head. The secret to turning your visualizations and your thoughts into your reality is in the actions that you actually take, the steps that you actually take. So it is something tangible that you have to do that is guided by this vision of what you have for yourself. And oftentimes we will be resistant to taking action because we are unfamiliar with it, we are scared, we are uncertain that it is the right action that we need to take. But just taking the tiniest of steps, as long as it is in the general direction of that goal or that dream that you have for yourself, that is better than doing nothing at all. So let that be your very straight to the point message for today. Whatever it is that you dream for yourself, whatever it is that you desire for yourself, take a small, tangible action in the direction of that goal, because that goal is achieved with a succession of consistent actions that are taken. Goals are not achieved by positive thought alone. So even if it is just one tiny step in the right direction, take that tiny step. And you know what? You are totally entitled to desire the biggest, grandest, boldest desires for yourself. You are totally entitled to that. And all it takes is you taking action. So go out and do that today. I am beyond exhausted today. I don't feel like I can string a sentence together, so apologies for the lack of depth in today's Thought on Confidence, but I hope you take away something useful and valid nonetheless. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notifications button, and then do share this with a friend of yours who you recognize needs to actively take some bold, courageous steps toward making her goal her reality. And until tomorrow, whatever you do, do it courageously, do it confidently, and do it consciously. I'll see you again tomorrow with more sleep, I guarantee.